Typically, when a realtor says a home is original, that's code for the wallpaper is held together with hope and wood rot. But this is not old. It's a time capsule, but it's a monument to a time when things were built to last, not just snapped together like a piece of Swedish furniture. It has 3 bedrooms, 1.5 bathrooms, and an interior aesthetic that can only be described as aggressively retro. But look past the beige. Underneath that dated exterior is the most important thing in the world: potential. You see, in a world of gray laminate floored, soulless boxes, this is a blank canvas. It's an opportunity to roll up your sleeves, grab a sledgehammer, and manufacture your own equity. It's the real estate equivalent to finding a classic Jaguar in a barn. A bit dusty, sure, but the bones are magnificent. And then there's the primary bedroom. Walk in, turn around, and suddenly, bam, you're in the Italian countryside. There's a mural so vast and so optimistic that you can almost smell the Barolo.
And all the lights that lead us there are blinding. There are many things that I would like to say to you, but I don't know how. Because maybe
Step outside and you've got a backyard that doesn't just end, it opens up. It backs onto a school, which means no rear neighbors, just vast open space. You're in the heart of Halton Hills. You've got the Bruce Trail nearby for when you want to pretend you're an explorer, and the Gallert Center just down the road. It's a proper grown-up location for a house that is waiting for a proper grown-up transformation. It's honest, it's solid, and with a bit of hard work, it could be the best house in the world.